Ambil video. Okay. Hi Iris, what are you doing?
Nah, hi, nice.
What are we doing?
Playing game.
Where are we today?
Melaka.
Melaka. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. Okay, so hari ni we are now at Imperial Residence dekat Melaka. This is just a view of where the place that we're staying. Nampak view apa ni lah, city, Melaka City. Okay, so today okay, just nak have a bit of review. I just got this Adidas had a sale recently due sempena Hari Merdeka, Malaysia yang ke-65. So they had this 65% off dekat Mitsui outlet if you buy any 3 items and above lah, footwear and apparel, apa tu lah, apparels. Jadi apa ni, I take the opportunity to get this Ultra Boost 20, 21, and then ada Lego Sport for my side, and also X9000 L4 women, Richmond C punya design. Okay, nanti kita tengok unboxing. Okay, so yang ni Ultra Boost size UK4. Tengok dalam. One thing lah, kotak Ultra Boost ni memang it comes with a black box, mancun gila lah. Okay, Ultra Boost 21. Okay, actually for this colour, I've been eyeing this for quite some time actually. So bila ada dapat 65% discount ni, memang it's very worth it lah. So nampak tak? Oh my god, oh, cantik sangat. Oh, this is very nice. Very nice. Okay, ni untuk Danish. Actually kalau Adidas Lego ni dia ada 3 colours. Dia ada this yellow. Okay, dia ada a black one. Alright, and also a red one. I guess blue dengan green ada juga aku. I'm not so sure lah. The final one. Okay, mari kita tengok. Yang ni pun actually I've been eyeing for this one. There are few items I've been eyeing for, and most of it is actually available at the outlet during the sale. So worth it. Okay, this is check close. Kan? Oh mami, sorry. Alright. Okay, cantik sangat. Right. So that's all. So all this is actually discount for 65%. So kalau macam Ultra Boost tadi comes about 280 macam tu. So less than 300 kan, sangat worth kan. And the Lego one is about 130 plus. 130 plus. And this one can't remember lah, tapi 200 lebih jugalah. 220 kata. Alright, that be all guys. Thank you. Nanti kita try and see how the fits and whatnot lah. Bye.